What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this nice blue and nude ombre set that I did, and we're going to be applying this blue acrylic on the pinky, on the middle finger, and on the thumb. And then on the ring finger I'm going to be doing just a solid nude, and on the pointer I'm going to be doing the ombre between the blue and the nude. And before I apply the acrylic, I did apply a thin layer of clear acrylic under before. And the thin layer of clear acrylic, it just helps to prevent any lifting.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Also, before I applied the thin layer of clear acrylic and the color acrylic, I did also prep the nails, and I also primed the nails.
Yeah. I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained.
So the trick to getting a really nice smooth ombre is when you apply the bottom color where the tip is at, is towards leave it like towards like the middle where the free edge is at, and don't do it too thick right there. Kind of try to leave it a little bit more blended in. And then when you apply the top color, like where the nude is going right now, just gently stroke it down. Don't do a really harsh stroke, because it's just gonna go like all over the nail. But if you just like feather it down, it's just gonna create like a really nice blend. And then on top of that, just encapsulate it, and after you encapsulate it, it just finishes like blending everything just beautifully.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.
Also, I am encapsulating all of the nails after I apply the colored acrylic. And this clear acrylic, I also do have it available on my website, so I'll leave the link listed in the description box. Okay, so before I start drilling into the nails, I'm just gonna file the sides of the nails and make sure that there's no excess acrylic stuck on the edges of the nail, so that I don't file her skins.
And I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
So to apply the crystals, I'm just using A.G.A Secret Nail Resin. And for this one that I'm putting on the sides right now, it's actually a SS4, size SS4. And I just put a pearl in the middle.
What does perfect even mean?
And I will have the A.B crystals size SS4 available on the website. And if you're gonna be shopping on my website, you will be receiving a free gift.
And imagine a utopia. Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start.
So these last bottom two that I'm putting right here, I put size SS6 and SS4 right at the bottom, and I'll also have SS6 available on the website. So I'm applying a clear top coat, non-wipe top coat on the middle finger and on the pointer finger, because this is where I'm going to be putting the chrome, and to apply the chrome you need to have the non-wipe top coat on. And I'm using the Aurora Chrome from Ocean Nail Supply, and I'm just using a regular makeup sponge just to rub it on. And you don't have to grab too much on the sponge, a little goes a long way. And that's it. I just applied top coat and I cured it for 1 minute. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Comment below if there's any type of videos you guys would like to see. And